Good morning, Mom and Dad. Okay, tulog na.
Rate natin nga pala habang yan.
Hey guys!
Hey, how have you been?
I just do it fine. Thanks for asking the summer.
Oh. By the way, may na-send to boys sa orientation.
Huh?
Ano ba segment? What are you talking about, Molly?
Baby, ba't hindi ko alam? Ma'am Danica said to answer that presentation at home. Wala, ay! Wala ako, Mom!
Me too, we're doomed.
But don't worry, guys. I'll let you copy my work. But don't tell anyone.
Yes.
I can feel I almost failed that math test. It was so hard.
Buti ako pa sa math. Parang ako.
Ako nga! This man! My dog is really cute. Look at him.
He's so cute.
Yeah. Ali? Ali? Ali, are you okay?
What did you ask ka rin?
But comes
No. Iniisip ko lang kasi yung mat. Ang hirap kasi.
Gay ko gusto yung pagkain.
whose fault?
Us?
yan! Akin yan! Bumitaw ka!
Mahal ko pa siya.
Hoy, ikaw naman dito. I'm tired of doing chores. Tapos ikaw, puro ka lang naman laro. Lagi nang ako. Ikaw naman, napakabatugan mo eh.
Mommy, dahil sa nawasan na to do the church, they said ikaw na lang palagi.
That's unfair. I thought boys should be doing this kind of stuff.
Women were often expected to do the dishes.
Wow, ha? Wow, that really offend me. Oh my God, grabe. Ang galing. Napakaangas mo.
Victor, I'm heading off to the store. You wanna come help me get some groceries?
Yes, Dad, I would love to.
Wow, you finally started to clean up, huh? At least you're doing something useful for once.
Ay, Ellie, pumunta ako sa kwarto mo. Ayusin mo. Ang gulo pa rin.
Ma, I'm very tired. Kanina pa ako dito. Si Victor naman. Ang dami ko pang papasang assignment.
Kaya nga ikaw na. Kaya mo naman. Sanay ka na nan. Si Victor, wag mong utos-utusan. You know he can't do anything and or chores.
Obvious wooden hairs na may tanong nakakagigil. Walang makakapigil. Wooden hairs na may tanong nakakagigil. Walang makakapigil.
Ellie, what is the meaning of this?
Ellie, tumayo ka na dyan! Ellie! Ellie! Ano ba, Ellie? Narinig mo ba ako? Kanina pa kita tinatawag ah.
You should respect your parents. Hindi ka namin kailangan ng ganyan. Ma, minsan lang ako mapagod. Ba't hindi niyo pa ako mapagbigyan? Nandiyan naman si Victor. Ba't lagi na lang ako? Hindi niyo pa alam na mapagod din ako.
Kung ayaw mong tumulong, lumayas ka na lang dito.
Sino may sabi laksan mo ang boses nyo? Marito ka nga! Get out! Get out! Lumayas ka dito! Kang babalik! Sana ganito na lang yung buhay ko. Walang iniipon, tahimik at payapa. Hindi katulad sa bahay mo, puro ako na lang ang muli. Puro ako na lang ang lagi nilang nakikita. I wish my parents didn't treat me like their personal waiter and just love me from who I am. I just need someone right now.
Well, what do we have here?
It looks like a girl. Possibly an ordinary girl.
Pupengin naman yung pera para sa artista.
I don't have money, boys. Hindi kasi ako binigyan eh.
See, she does have money.
Aba, hindi ko alam.
How are we going to eat now? Two of you will be the one who will pay for my food.
That's too much, James.
Hey guys, what are you doing?
Ay, yung assignment lang sa oral.
Ay, sige. I already finished mine the last night.
Hey, can I copy your homework?
Ayoko mo. Labas muna ako, tambay din ako eh.
Paano ka pinalitan ng iyong ex? Pala.
My name is Ellie. How about you?
My name is Luke. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Ay, sorry. Not the way. What are you doing here?
I'm waiting for my friend. We're going home together.
Oh, okay. I was about to go home too.
Oh, great. Wanna hang out sometimes?
Oh, really? I would love to.
Alright then. See you tomorrow at the mall. 12 p.m. sharp.
It's good. See you later, Lucas.
Gusto kong magsumbong sa'yo kapag pagod na ako. Tama pa bang init na yakap mo ang hinahanap ko? Minsan gusto ko tumawag sa'yo para lang marinig ko ang boses mo. Mali na ba kapag nakangiti ako? Hinahanap ko ang sayo. Kahit ka ng pagsipol ng araw. Baka mong di nabot tanaw. Sa dami ng sugat ang kamay at daliling niyakap, sa'yo lang di napapasma. Perfecto ako na. Kahit hindi na kita nakikita, kahit lumibas pa nila may gana, kahit nagbago na ang hinahanap ng iyong mga mata, hanggang may kahel na lagi naisip kita.
Hey Ellie, did you have fun last time?
I did. Thanks for asking and thanks for buying me that new book from me.
No problem.
I've been thinking a lot about us lately.
Oh, what are you thinking?
Yeah, and I think I like you.
More than you should? I really think you're cute and cool and all, but you're really not my type.
Sorry po. Okay lang. Hey, Summer! How are you?
Huh? Summer? I'm not Summer. I'm Kiara.
Oh. Okay.
Wala. Charot. Joke lang. So, dito, makikita natin yung x katabi lang ng 4, which is, substitute natin yung 4. Okay? Paano ka pinalitan ng iyong x? Okay? So, dito pala, so yung 4 maiiwan.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hoy, ikaw naman dito. I'm third of doing course. Tapos ikaw, puro ka lang laro.
Wala. Kasi video mo ako. Aba, 3, 2, 1, go.